friends, welcome to my Maths Best Friend Forever, that is Maths BFF channel. I am Amita. Today I am going to tell you some formula of coordinate geometry. Using these formula, you can solve the questions based on a straight line. In my previous classes or in my previous videos, I have shown some formula to you. I hope you are able to use them, or if there is any problem, you can ask me in comment section. So let's start today. तो पहले इसमें सरल रेखा यानी कि स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन है ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0. इसकी दूरी एक पॉइंट गिवन है x1, y1. यहाँ से इसकी दूरी फाइंड आउट करनी है और डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करनी है. इन दिस formula you can find out the distance from a point to the straight line. So suppose this is the point P, this is the point P, this is x1 y1 and this is the line which is ax plus by plus c. Okay, so the formula is the distance between the point, this is the distance actually. So the distance between the point and the line is ax1 plus by1 plus c. Instead of xy, we will put the point x1 and y1 upon under root a square plus b square. So the final formula is p is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon in under root a square plus b square. What happened if the point is on origin? Origin, you know that it is 0, 0. Instead of xy, we will put 0 here and 0 here. So the coefficient of x is 0 and coefficient of y is also 0. We get c upon under root a square plus b square. This is the distance of a line from the point which is origin. So the distance is p is equal to c upon under root a square plus b square. Now what happened if there are two lines, two parallel lines? So if we write the equation of two parallel lines, that is a1x1, a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c is equal to 0. There are the two parallel lines. So the distance between these two parallel lines, it is here you can see the x-axis and the y-axis and the two lines are given. So the distance between these two lines, suppose the distance we have taken, the first distance is p1. This is from origin. पहली distance p1 ली हमने origin 0, 0 से to the line. So a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c1. A into 0 plus b into 0 plus c1 because it is from origin. So it is c1 upon under root a square plus b square. c1 upon a square plus b square for the first line. Okay, and similarly the other distance is p2. A into 0 plus b into 0 plus c2 upon under root a square plus b square. तो ये दूसरी डिस्टेंस हो जाएगी. इट इज़ c2 अपॉन अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. So हमें p1 is equal to p is equal to the final distance is p and it is p1 minus p2. If we solve it, we get p is equal to modulus of c1 minus c2 upon under root a square plus b square. तो हमें ये इक्वेशन, ये फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. Okay, similarly if the two parallel lines are the both side of the origin, means कि एक लाइन यहाँ पर एक लाइन यहाँ पर है, then also you can use this formula. Okay, modulus is used here, so we get modulus of c1 minus c2 upon under root a square plus b square. Modulus of p is equal to mod of c1 minus c2 upon a square plus under root a square plus b square. Okay. Now the next formula is equation of the angle bisector. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं कोण अर्धकों का समीकरण. ठीक है. It is called in Hindi कोण अर्धकों का समीकरण, इक्वेशन ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर। एंगल बाइसेक्टर क्या हो जाएगा, सी ये जो 2 लाइन्स हैं एरो वाली, ओके ये 2 लाइनें हैं, वी कैन मेक लाइक दिस, ठीक है, देर आर 2 लाइन्स, there are 2 lines, okay, this is the x axis and y axis, we can make the 2 lines, okay, blue color की 2 लाइनें हैं, उनका एक का इक्वेशन है a1 x plus b1 y plus c and a2 ax2 plus by2 plus c, इनके बीच में एंगल बाइसेक्टर यानी कोण अर्धक, एंगल बाइसेक्टर कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, लेट्स सी। सो a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0, the first line, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, the second line. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon under root a1 square plus b1 square is equal to plus minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 upon under root a2 square plus b2 square. Okay, so this whole equation is used to find out the angle bisector of the given equations. Now what are the concurrent lines? Concurrent lines को हिंदी में हम संगामी रेखाएं भी कहते हैं, ठीक है। How to find out this? इसको कैसे find out करते हैं, इसको कैसे find out करेंगे, how to find out this? It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus is equal to c2, okay. फॉर द कॉन्करेंट लाइन्स, ये कॉन्करेंट लाइन कब होंगी, फाइंड द एक्स एंड वाई। अगर हमने इन दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करके एक्स और वाई को फाइंड आउट कर लिया और वही एक्स और वाई अगर सेटिस्फाई करेगा, विल सेटिस्फाई द थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन विच इज़ a3x प्लस b3y इज इक्वल टू सी, देन हमारी तीनों लाइन्स क्या हो जाएंगी, कॉन्करेंट लाइन्स हो जाएंगी। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट method, okay. Now the second method, find out the determinant of the coefficient of x and y and also the constant part, that is a1 b1 a1 a2 a3 को एक लाइन में लिख लेंगे, okay. The थ्री लाइन्स की इक्वेशन है a1 x plus b1 y is equal to c1 and a2 x plus b2 y is equal to c2 and a1 a3 x plus b3y इज इक्वल टू c3। तो तीनों का हमने डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड आउट कर लिया, a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3 इज इक्वल टू 0। इफ इट इज ज़ीरो then these 3 lines are concurrent to each other. I hope you get this formula. Please use these formula in the questions to solve the straight line, okay. In my coming videos you get some questions based on these formulas, okay. So try to solve them. This will help you to solve the questions in examination as well as in UPTGT examination. That's all for today. Please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for listening.